Namaskar, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Astro Know Me. Know as in KNOW. Today, I am going to talk about the last Rashi of Brahmand, the 12th Rashi of Brahmand, which is called as the Mean Rashi, betterly known as Spices in English. Um, this is a water sign, and this represents the depth of an ocean, and this sign is with dual flexibility. The pictorial description of this sign shows a pair of fishes rotating around each other, rotating opposite in opposite direction to each other. This Rashi is made up of three nakshatras. That is the all four charans of Uttara Bhadrapad, all four charans of Revti, and the fourth charan of Purva Bhadrapad. The Lord planet of this Rashi is Jupiter. Venus becomes exalted in this Rashi, and the Neech Grah, the debilitated planet, is Mercury. The lucky colors of this Rashi are yellow, pink, and orange. Yellow, of course, the significator of Jupiter. The lucky stone is a yellow sapphire, which is also called as Pokhraj, and it's worn in your index finger, which is also called as the Jupiter finger on the right hand side. The lucky days are Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Lucky number is 3, and these Rashi people should worship Lord Hanuman throughout their life. Now, as the mean Rashi is the 12th Rashi of Brahmand, and in an horoscope, the 12th house represents moksha and spiritualism. So, these Rashi denotes a Jatak ascendant of this Rashi moving towards moksha and spiritualism in the course of his life. And also, as it is made up of fourth charan of Purva Bhadrapad Nakshatra, this also denotes moksha and spiritualism. These people are innocent, simple, honest, selfless, empathetic, emotional, dedicated, honest, also of careless attitude, and it is found that they are very happy in their own world, in their own shell, in their own well. They are always ready to kind of help others, help needy and poor people, and they are very sensitive and they understand the pain of other people. They have an attractive personality, but their mood swings throughout the day or throughout the week or throughout the month. Their mood is not stable. Uh, these people are sympathetic as long as their inner peace is not disturbed. But once, if somebody disturbs their internal harmony and inner peace, they become a little rigid and they become a little disappointed. They also become disappointed when they see that the advice what they are trying to give to their subordinates, friends, or relatives, if their advice is not followed, they their mood goes into a negative depression. As far as their love life is concerned, these people are highly romantic and emotional. They are very creative in their love life, and these are the people who would like to take their better halves for a candlelight dinner. They're extremely expressive and creative in in with their partners as far as the romance is concerned. So if you have a mean Rashi partner, he would like to give you a greeting card with a lot of poetry written in it. And these are the people, if you gift them something, they will keep the gift wrappers throughout their lives. They are very emotional about it and also very creative. And they like to spend a lot of quality time with their partners. Uh, since the pictorial sign of this Rashi uh, uh, is shown by two fishes, which looks multifaceted, the people born under this Rashi are all also multifaceted. So while being in their profession, you will also find that he also plays guitar, he also plays flute, he can also paint well, he can also sing well. So they have those good qualities in them and good talent in them. which is reflected in their personality. Uh, the two fishes sign, apart from being multifaceted, also indicates that a person of mean Rashi can either be slightly dangerous like a shark in the ocean, or peaceful and silent like a fish in the pond. So it can swing either ways. The personalities can swing either ways. Of course, the personality depends upon which planet is sitting in your first house of horoscope, what is your lagna, and at what degrees they are sitting. It depends on many such issues. But we are here talking about mean Rashi, and we are talking about their description as per their pictorial form. Mean Rashi people want to be in their own imaginary world, in the world of dreams. They do not want to come out of their imaginary world of dreams. And when they view life through the lens, and if they find that what they are dreaming about and what they are imagining about and the real life is different from what they are imagining, and if the real life is not as good or as fancy, uh, then they would like to go back in their own shell, back in their own imaginary world, in their own dream world. These people are very eager to learn talent and to acquire any knowledge, wisdom which is normally do not found in any books. So they would like to study things which are out of syllabus. So if you teach them playing an instrument naturally, they would like to be a part of it. They are very enthusiastic for learning of new sciences. These Rashi people, they have a feeling of brotherhood towards all, and they see this earth as one world. These Rashi people have depth like an ocean, and vastness in their character like a sea. If you look at an ocean, it is huge by width and by breadth and by depth. So the same characteristics of an ocean are also found in their personality, because mean Rashi is represented by the depth of ocean, the depthness of water. This Rashi emphasizes on endless boundaries of life, love, peace, knowledge, and wisdom. The Rekha Chitra of this Rashi are like two semicircles, which is crossed by a single line, which indicates that they may have two aspects in their life, one materialistic and one spiritualistic. It is up to them to choose the right path. But most of the mean Rashi people whom I have met are I found them extremely innocent, and they are not very worldly wise. They are, like I said, they are in an own imaginary world of theirs, and they are happy in their own world, being simple, being honest, being empathetic. If you approach them with a problem of yours, they will take full interest, deep interest, and they will be very thoughtful and very helpful in solving your issues. Now, let us talk about some of the famous personalities. Ustad Zakir Hussain, the famous tabla player, the famous southern actor Kamla Hassan, Hema Malini, uh, late Bhagat Singh, Kalpana Chawla, the great astronaut, Mr. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, yesteryear's film star Mr. Devanand, Amir Khan, Tiger Shroff, Anupam Kher, and Shahid Kapoor. So that was my short analysis of people born under mean Rashi, that is a Pisces. And if you have liked this video, then please do subscribe, and please do press the bell icon. Another thing which I wanted to tell my viewers, that from this 23rd of September 2020, Rahu and Ketu are going to change their axis. So as you know that Rahu is retrograde, that it moves backwards. So for many Rashi people, they might feel some change in time. So for example, for Kanya Rashi, it will enter into their Bhagya, ninth house, from 10th to ninth. And since for Kanya Rashi is the Swam Rashi of Rahu. For Rahu, Kanya Rashi is its own Rashi. So it will make a very positive impact. But likewise, for Mithun Rashi, and if they are in a job, they might get a posting which is in some other city, or they might get some other assignment which they might not be very comfortable to. So from 23rd of September, this 23rd September 2020, there is going to be a change of Rahu Ketu axis, and it might, bring some changes in your life. So be well prepared for it. Thank you very much for watching this video. And in case you're looking for any kind of consultation, one-to-one consultation regarding your health, your job, your relationship, please do connect with me one-to-one at 9742 881188. Till then, thank you very much. Keep safe and healthy. Thank you.